Hey everybody, and welcome to Jaltest VLOGS. Today we're going to be going over Jaltest Feedback. Now, what is Jaltest Feedback? Every time that you're in the system, so today we're going to be in the Bendix EC60 and a problem comes up. For example, you're going into the parameters and you want a parameter added, or it's not connecting how you think it should be, or the values are different. There is a way to communicate that to us. So you would have to go to the preferences button, go to Jaltest Feedback, and then select New Jaltest Feedback. As you can see, there's a history for every time that you send a feedback, and we would be responding normally within 24 hours, okay? When we click on Jaltest Feedback, we would press Fault, Information, or Suggestion. So in this case, it's a suggestion, and here we would say Add Parameter. When we go into the description, we would detail what it is that we're considering and we want to communicate to the guys that develop Jaltest. And then make sure to put in your name, email, and phone number so that somebody can get back to you. If it's a fault, as I mentioned, or something that's not working, the engineering team will contact you directly with instructions or when it will be fixed. Okay, so we have direct feedback with you guys. After that, vehicle information, all of this, if you can add it, that's better. But we're going to get the communication files that automatically go from the box to the truck. And that's where we're going to see what's going on and how to improve it. Lastly, make sure that you have read and accept the terms and you press the send button. Right here, we didn't introduce everything correctly. So we're missing the description. Send it, and we'd be ready to go. So this goes straight into the inbox for engineering, as I once said, and they're going to be able to look at it. They will analyze the technical service and get back to you. Okay. The other way that we can get to Jaltest Feedback is if we have a code. So let's say that it's not identifying a system, or there's a code that's driving us crazy. In this case, once again, I've disconnected the USB. So we're going to get a connection fault. We would get the connection fault, report it through Jaltest Feedback, click OK, and we're going to get the same thing. In this case, it automatically fills it out. Fault, connection fault. Here you put in the description, and we proceed to the same way. We go up, and then we send it. Filling up the description, and we would send it. And that way, they would receive the communication error between the box and the truck and understand why this fault is being generated. Then they would get back to you with a solution. Okay. And that's how Jaltest Feedback works, where we use the faults that you send us, informations, or anything related to that straight to our engineering team. They put that in the development pipeline, and then it gets updated in the future updates. And that's how we improve the tool day to day. Thank you very much for your time, and see you in the next Jaltest vlog.